How to create effective marketing strategy. The 4 most important things that you need in your crypto marketing strategy if you want to succeed. You have an idea for your first or next crypto project. That's great news, but you need a plan on how to introduce and sell it to the world. This means that you need to prepare your crypto marketing strategy. It should have important details about your blockchain product and its competition. In this video, I will tell only things that may have a huge impact on your marketing efforts. So let's begin. Number 1. Your effective crypto marketing strategy, problem and solution. You are ready to change the world with your idea. Now your first task is to figure out if it solves a problem or not. If it doesn't, please reconsider your plans. Let's say that your idea gives a solution to a problem that investors have. Then your next step is to explain it on a piece of paper in a very descriptive way. What I mean by that is to write an explanation of the issue that you are going to solve in a way that every person can understand with ease. That's why you should not use technical terms, but simple words and sentences. This is really beneficial for the next steps in your marketing strategy, but it will also help you to have more clarity about your crypto business. Now that you have your problem explained in full detail, it is time to state the solution. You should follow the same path and write down in a very simple to understand the way how you plan to tackle the issue. The third and final task from this step is to figure out 2 important things. What are the benefits of your idea for the potential investors? How your idea can make your investors' life better. When you figure out the answers, make sure to write them down. Number 2. Your effective crypto marketing strategy, goals and KPIs. I would say that without step 1 you have close to 0 chance to do effective crypto marketing. But because you are going to do it, you will be in a better position than most. Now you can move to the second crucial step, which is setting your goals and KPIs. At this stage of your preparation you need to figure out the answers to these important questions. What do you want to achieve with your crypto project? What's your dream for it? How high do you want to go with it? What's the end goal of your crypto project? What are the most important metrics that can show you if you are moving in the right direction, which can lead you to reach your end goal? For example, number of Discord or Telegram members, followers on Twitter, holders amount, and so on. Based on this you should prepare a list with KPIs and goals. The best would be to split them into weekly goals and KPIs, monthly goals and KPIs, 3, 6, and 12-month goals and KPIs. I think that this is a great start, but if you want to have a perfect strategy, then you should also prepare your 3, 5, and 10-year goals and KPIs. This may sound like a too long period and also too rigid plan, but what I have learned from all the projects that I have consulted on in Web 2 and Web 3 is that these goals and KPIs should be flexible. The reason being is that when you start, no matter how hard you try, you possess a limited amount of information. Only after you start the actual marketing and all the pieces of your business start to work together you will get information that only experience can give you. That's why it is really important every month or every 3 months to make a recheck of your goals and KPIs to see if they are not too big or too small. In all cases, you should aim for something in the middle, a little over your blockchain business boundaries of achievable, so you can always grow. You should also check if the goals and KPIs really have the impact that you are looking for on your crypto business. Number 3. Your effective crypto marketing strategy, target audience. You know what you are selling, but you need to also know to whom you are selling. This is enormously important and can save you thousands or even millions if done right. Now you have your problem and solution in front of you, so it's time to find who needs this. In order to find this answer, I would suggest you to use tools like Google, Quora, forums, Discord, Telegram. One more thing that can help you a lot in this research is your competitors, if you have any at all. If you don't have one, look for similar blockchain solutions like yours and their competitors. When you are looking to prepare this part of the marketing strategy, you should aim to answer questions like, What is your target audience demographic? Is your dream client a man or a woman? What do they work? What are their hobbies? What are their interests? What are their favorite movies, radio shows, newspapers, and other things? What are their main roadblocks in life or in business, depending if you are a B2C or B2B crypto project? What do they value in products like yours? What do they like and dislike about your competitor's blockchain solution? What are their dreams? What are the fears, needs, and desires of your dream customer? You need as much information as possible. Maybe part of it you will discover when you start, but if there is a way to get it before that, try to get it. Based on what you have, create a profile with your target audience characteristics. Just make sure that you are not doing one of the most common mistakes, having a profile in which everyone can fit in. You need to be specific, you need to niche down your target market. This way you have a higher chance to reach it. Number 4. Your effective crypto marketing strategy. Competitionology. There isn't such science or word, but you should approach it very seriously. Having knowledge about your competitors can help you tremendously in many aspects. Tell me some of them. You will know who they are so you can keep an eye on them. You will know what's their offer so you can model and improve yours. You will know what are they lacking so you can give it or offer a better solution. You will know what their customers like and don't like about their crypto product so you can be better. You will know where they advertise so you can do the same if your target market is the same. You will know what are their marketing efforts so you can have a starting point. As you can see, there are many things that you should know about your competitors. Use these bullet points when you are doing your research about them. Having the information about these things can help you to refine your marketing information, strategy, plan, and tactics. I would suggest you to start writing a list that consists of all of them. And if you don't have direct crypto competitors, look for indirect ones. If you don't have indirect competitors, check for businesses from the Web2 world that are doing the same or similar thing as you, but for Web2 customers or businesses. Starting with these 4 things can give you a huge marketing advantage, so spend some time preparing the needed information. It may be hard and time-consuming, but the ROI is massive. And in part 2, I will cover the next steps that you should take in order to have a really solid crypto marketing strategy. Till then, if you need some guidance or feedback on all that you have, book a free consultation with me. I would be happy to help you. If you liked our video, make sure to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to never miss any upcoming videos.